In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to update your Roku device. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step process on how to get your Roku, whether it be your Roku streaming stick, your Roku TV, any Roku platform device, on how to get it updated to its latest firmware. So the first thing you're going to want to do is hit the home button. I'm on the home screen right now, but hit your home button and you're going to want to go down to settings, and then you'll click over and you'll go down to system right here. Click over again, and then you'll see right there where it says system update, and then you'll click enter or click the OK button, and then you'll click on check now. What it'll do is it'll use your Wi-Fi, and then it'll do a software update. All software is up to date, and you'll get this screen. You just click OK, and that is how you update your Roku stick. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.